Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? My name is Elfatia Rahma Mubarak from PKBJJ Lampung, majoring in PGSD. I am the oldest child in my family. Now I want to introduce one of my family members. My father name is Muhammad Taufik. I call him father. His birthday is on November 7. He is a Japanese and lives in Lampung. His hobby is fishing, and he is a farmer and hard worker. My father is a loving person and takes care of my entire family. Thanks for listening, like and comment.